Hello viewers, today I am going to share with you some tricks to find square of two-digit numbers within seconds. Especially when you have to solve multiple choice questions and you have little time to answer the questions, you need such type of tricks. Let's start our today's lesson. There might be situations when you have to find the square of two-digit numbers. First we see that if your number is greater than 50, then what to do. Keep in mind figure 25. Later on I will tell you that you have to add or subtract something to find the answer. Let's start with first example, that is square of 52. You know that 52 is 2 more than 50. So we will take square of 2, that is 4, but the trick is that we need two-digit number in this space, so we will add 0 to it. And now we know that 52 is 2 greater than 50, so we will add 2 to 25 and the answer would be 27. Now place this 27 here and the answer is there, that is 2704. Very simple. Now take another example. Now we have a number 56, that is we have to take the square of 56 and we know that 56 means 6 more than 50, so we will take the square of 6, that is 36, and now we will add 6 to 25 and the answer is 31. Place 31 here and the solution is there. Now comes the turn that when your number is less than 50, then what to do. Process will remain the same. But instead of adding something to this 25, we will subtract it. Let's see the example, that is 48. Square of 48, you know that 48 is 2 less than 50. We will again take the square of 2, add 0, and then we will subtract 2 from 25, that is 23. Place 23 here and answer is there, that is 2304. Take another example. We have 42. We want to have the square of 42. We know that 42 is less than 8. We know that 42 means 8 less than 50. So what we do, take the square of 8, that is 64. 8 8s are 64 and subtract 8 from 25 and answer is 17. Place 17 here and our answer is 1764. Okay, now I will share with you more tricks. That is second type of numbers. Then you have 5 in number. We see the first example, that is 15 square. In order to take the square of this 15, what we will do, we will multiply 15 by 15 and without going through lengthy calculation, we will just have some simple calculation, that is 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, and now we will add 1 to this second figure, that is we will add 1 in this one and it will be 2, and we will multiply 2 with 1, it will be 2, that is 225. Similarly, take the second example of 35 multiplied by 35. Very simple. 5 5s are 25. Add 1 to this 3, it will become 4, and 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, and answer is 1225. Look at the third example, that is 45 multiplied by 45. 5 5 is 25. add 1 to this 4, it will become 5, and 5 4s are 20. Look at the fourth example of 75. We multiply with 75. Here 5 5s are 25, and add 1 to this 7, it will become 8. 8 7s are 56, and the answer is there. You can use this trick with more figures, like you have 5 in common, that is 25, 55, 65, or 85, or even 95. You can use this trick easily and find the square within seconds. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel so that you may watch more videos, more tricks about basic mathematics, and also press the bell icon so that you may get notifications of my new videos. Thank you very much.